Hey guys, Logan McBride, product manager for Solitude and Influence, coming to you today on our brand new roof that you're going to now be seeing standard on Solitude and Influence. This is our new TekModo composite worry-free roof system, and I wanted to go through a couple points today just to explain it and what features that you're going to see on the unit. With the roof material itself, Grand Design partnered with TekModo to bring you this incredible roof system. You're going to have a composite substrate underneath. On top of that is going to be a PET skin that is fully laminated to this entire roof. A couple things on this roof. It is all one piece, not only just the skin, but the substrate as well. So you're not going to have those seams every 4 feet. Another thing that we're going above and beyond and doing differently is we're actually rolling that PET along the sides of the unit. So you're not going to have screws up top on your gutter rail, so that water is going to slide off and it's going to go into your gutter rails and keep your roof nice and clean and safe. With the TekModo roof system as well, it's going to be a heck of a lot lighter weight, and you're going to have unmatched durability with this roof, and it's going to be something that you're not seeing in this industry today. One other thing that you're going to notice with this roof is just the overall cleanliness. With us going to this TekModo material, it allowed us to get rid of that self-leveling sealant that we used to use around our max air fans and our vents. And what we're using today is an automotive grade gasket. It's going to be more durable, longer lasting, and very minimal maintenance to you. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me today going over the new TekModo roof system that you're now seeing standard on all Solitude and Influences. For more information, feel free to contact your local dealer or go to granddesignrv.com.